Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through two types of pure chettinad cotton sarees. In the first set, we are seeing as hundreds count high quality pure chettinad cotton sarees. Both dark and light shades are available in these collections. About the model design, small tiny puttas are there in the body part, and the beautiful fancy borders enhances the elegance of the sarees. The saree length is 6.3 meters along with running blouse, and these beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 989 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our FB and Insta pages. The links are given in the description. And now we are moving to the second collection as 80s count pure chettinad cotton sarees. Mostly dark shades are coming in this set, and this model is having one side zari woven big border along with running blouse. And this collection you are getting in a price of 860 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu.